Vision COLD, welding thin material. Thanks to supplied synergic programs, Vision COLD allows very high quality welding of thin sheets. Its optimized arc ensures no deformation with minimal modification of the metallurgical characteristics of the joints. Vision COLD is also an excellent solution for welding open gap joints. Advantages: welding of high carbon and highly alloyed steel thin sheets. Very contained damage to zinc coated layer in MIG brazing. Significant heat input reduction in welding joints with minimal deformation. Lack of spatters and projections during the short circuit phase. CEA, welding together.